Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Google Docs on your Windows PC to speed up writing and editing. First, open your document at docs.google.com and make sure you are signed in. Next, press Ctrl+/ to open the keyboard shortcut help panel. This shows you a full list grouped by category like editing, formatting, navigation, and collaboration. Then try a few essential shortcuts: Ctrl B for bold, Ctrl I for italic, Ctrl K to insert a link, Ctrl+Alt+M to add a comment, and Ctrl+/ again for search for any shortcut. After that, use navigation shortcuts such as Ctrl+Home+Jump to the top, Ctrl+N to go to the bottom, Ctrl+F to quickly find anything you're looking for, like a text or maybe a special word. Finally, practice the shortcut you use most. You can also print the shortcut panel or copy favorites into a small cheat sheet until they become second nature. And that's it guys. Keyboard shortcuts save time and make editing faster. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.